Espresso. Invented in Turin, Italy in 1884 by Angelo Moriando, this concentrated beverage relies on forcing pressurized near-boiling water through finely ground coffee beans. The modern standard dictates a brewing time of 25 to 30 seconds, extracting roughly 30 milliliters of liquid under 9 bars of atmospheric pressure. This violent extraction process emulsifies the coffee beans' natural oils into a dense, golden brown foam known as crema, which acts as a lid to trap aromatic compounds. Consisting of approximately 212 milligrams of caffeine per 100 grams, espresso delivers a complex, intensely bittersweet flavor profile with a heavy, viscous mouthfeel. It serves as the foundational architecture for the majority of modern milk-based coffee beverages consumed globally. Cappuccino. Named after the brown cowls worn by the Capuchin friars in 16th century Italy, this ubiquitous morning beverage achieved its modern form in the 1930s following the refinement of the espresso machine. A traditional cappuccino is defined by a strict geometric ratio of thirds: 1/3 espresso, 1/3 steamed milk, and 1/3 aerated milk foam, culminating in a total volume of roughly 150 milliliters. The microfoam layer, essential to the textural experience, creates a domed top, extending slightly above the cup's rim. When properly executed, the lactose in the milk breaks down at roughly 65 degrees Celsius, imparting a natural sweetness that perfectly cuts through the acidic bitterness of the underlying espresso base. Macchiato. Originating in Italy as a method for baristas to distinguish espresso orders containing milk from plain shots, the term translates directly to stained or marked. A traditional cafe macchiato consists of a standard 30 milliliter shot of espresso marked with an exact dollop of 1 to 2 teaspoons of hot, foamed milk. This minimal milk addition does not dilute the espresso's intensity, but merely softens the sharpest acidic notes, creating a brief, velvety textural bridge before the primary dark roasted flavors dominate the palate. Holding a total volume rarely exceeding 40 milliliters, it boasts one of the highest caffeine-to-volume ratios of any traditional cafe offering, favored by purists seeking an unadulterated coffee profile with only a fractional introduction of dairy sweetness. Flat white. Emerging from the cafe cultures of Sydney, Australia, and Auckland, New Zealand, during the mid-1980s, this beverage was developed as an alternative to the highly aerated, dry foam of traditional cappuccinos. It is constructed using a double ristretto, a shorter, sweeter, and more concentrated espresso shot poured over 150 milliliters of microfoamed milk. The defining characteristic is the milk's texture. It is steamed to create microscopic bubbles, resulting in a glossy, velvet-like consistency with no distinct layer of dry froth on the surface. This technique allows the milk to fold seamlessly into the crema, producing a rich, milky mouthfeel while allowing the robust, caramelized flavors of the espresso to remain the dominant sensory experience.